Hi, I have in front of me here a 4 terabyte surveillance rated 3.5 inch SATA internal drive. This hard drive is specifically designed for use with the surveillance industry for 24/7 use. Okay, it's a very high specification drive. Comes at a higher price than the standard drives that you'd use in PCs, etc. But if you have mission critical usage, where you're going to have a lot of high resolution, high definition cameras in particular, feeding back to a single drive, very important to have a drive like this, and it proves very popular with our professional users for that reason. What we do is, you can see it comes in this outer box here. Now, in terms of the actual brand that we supply, it could be Seagate, it could be Western Digital, but it'll always be a brand to the same specification, okay? So we just open up the unit here. You see there's padding inside, and what I've done already is I've just removed the internal, the hard drive. It's in this anti-static bag. This particular one is Western Digital, but it's purple rated simply to say it's meeting the surveillance industry standards, okay? Or its own standards for use within the surveillance industry. So typical applications of this, well, primarily it's going to be used inside of DVRs for recording camera, etc. like that. But also, we'll say, you could use it as a very high-end use for, we'll say, with PCs for in terms of storage capacity, things like that. Might be a little bit over-spec'd for that, but you know, in terms of the quality of the drive here, it would work brilliantly in such an application as well. It's part of a wider range of hard drives that we have. We have surveillance rated and in surveillance rated ones, and really the sizes are going all the way from about 500 gig up to about 4 terabyte, but as time goes on, probably the sizes will increase. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 4 terabyte surveillance rated SATA 3.5 inch internal hard drives suitable for use with DVRs.